Whether you are buying a car, asking for a raise, or bargaining at a local market, you are negotiating more often than you think. Today, I'm going to give you a practical framework based on psychology, persuasion science, and my own experience as a mentor that will help you walk into any negotiation with calm, confidence, and clarity. Pre negotiation prep. The secret to a successful negotiation is not about charisma, neither dominance. Like any great performance, a successful negotiation starts with preparation. Here is how professionals prepare. Know your objectives. What outcome are you aiming for? Rank priorities. Research the other side. Understand their motivations, pressure points, and alternatives. Know your BATNA. The full form of BATNA is best alternative to a negotiated agreement. This is your safety net and gives you an upper hand in the deal. Set a walk away point. Define your take it or leave it point beforehand. If the deal falls below this threshold, be prepared to walk away. This will protect you from making a losing deal. Communicate like a pro. Negotiation is about listening, framing, reading between the lines. The best negotiators don't argue. They ask, they listen, they lead with curiosity. Ask open ended questions. For example, how can we make this work for both of us? This encourages the other person to share their thoughts, helping you better understand their perspectives. Listen more than you speak. Let the other side talk themselves into agreement. This allows you to reframe your strategy accordingly. Mirror and label emotions. Demonstrate understanding by reflecting their feelings. For example, it sounds like timing is your biggest concern. Frame your offers. Offer options such as, would you prefer quicker delivery or a discount? Tactical moves. Now let's dive into tactical territory. These are the moves that separates amateurs from pros. Start high or low. Anchoring sets the tone. Start with a number that favors you. Aim for win-win outcomes. Find shared ground and mutual gain. Utilize time pressure wisely. Don't rush, but use urgency if the time is right. Avoid ultimatums. Instead, offer reasonable alternatives, such as, if we can agree on X, I can offer Y. Control the agenda. Take charge of the conversation by setting the tone, deciding what's discussed first, or presenting a clear, structured agenda. The mindset shift. Negotiation is not just a skill, it's a mindset. Here is some key mindset shift to reset your attitude before you sit at the negotiating table. Stay calm and emotionally neutral. Don't react, rather, respond thoughtfully. Don't take it personally. Detach emotion from outcomes. Be ready to walk away. When you are not desperate, you are powerful. Confidence is key. Even faked confidence leads to real influence. Practice makes you act like a pro. Role play at home. Learn your patterns to perform better. People often say negotiation as a battle to be won, but the real pros, they approach it like a partnership. Here are some collaboration strategies for you. Use we language, such as, how can we make this work? This conveys a sense of shared interest and collaboration. Highlight shared goals to ensure that both parties feel understood and are working toward mutual satisfaction. Lead with empathy, not ego. This encourages the other person to be more generous and willing to offer additional support. Create value before claiming value. When you contribute meaningfully first, it takes the other party more eager to reach a deal. At the end of the day, negotiation is a skill, just like public speaking or writing. And the more you practice, the more it becomes your second nature. If you like it, drop a comment. What's your biggest negotiation win? And subscribe for more videos on emotional intelligence, leadership, and leveling up your life.